Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will like to show you the way how to add your own musics on TikTok application. So the first thing we have to do is just go open the TikTok application. There will be like 5 sections down here. So to create to add your own music into the TikTok, it's quite simple. Go click this plus button to access the TikTok camera, and right after that, if you have no plans to create the content right away, you just need to go click this part, the add sound. So you just need to click them, and you will be bring into the sounds sections of the TikTok, and you will see there will be several sections which are for you, favorites, more, and your sound. Since we want to add our own sounds, go right away click this your sound sections, and after that there will be 2 options how the way you import the musics. You can choose the import sounds from the video if you have the video audio that you want to add, or you can also import the local sounds. So here let's try the import sound from the video. I have a bunch of recording here, so you just need to click one of them and just go click import. Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I want to show you the way how it for you, and the audio is already here. You can just use this to create your content. Hello everyone, so that is the way guys how to add your own sound on a TikTok. Hopefully this tutorial is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you for the next tutorial.